their libero and their middle blocker in Cruz.
In the meantime, first point of the match belongs to Capital One on his service ace.
That was the first service ace, Krasnogor.
And we're just beginning to fill up this place here in Victorias City. It's about 45 minutes away from the airport, about an hour away from Bacolod. In the meantime, Micaela Bilen, earlier, Lexi Rodriguez was the one who chatted with her. This first strike, ang hirap din bantayan talaga ng Kaliwete. That's why Tubo is so hard to stop in that pin.
And minsan din sa mga opposite sets, if you're a left-handed spiker, it's usually low and fast. Kaya napapansin natin, madalas na iiwanan sila one blocker lang na
Second blocker about a step late, no? 3-1 ang ating bilang. First point of Farm Fresh already registered. This strike is a touch ball, and therefore Capital One will get a point of the effort of Jimenez. First time we're seeing Pepito and si Bernadette Pepito, no? One of the shining stars of UST. Oh, butas. System nag-failed and somebody was not in a proper position there. Track down. And it's on the floor. Farm Fresh gets its fourth point. Balance of veterans and young blood in any team. In the meantime, this is a fake that throws off the Capital One defense. And who else than the veteran, Cesc Molina and Tubo and Honey Royce Tubino. From the back row, the serve. The ball with the serve, and that tap by Nunag makes something happen.
And speaking of armband, I want to talk about the family of Louie Romero, who is actually watching her for the first time on the mother side for the first time. They're watching Louie play here in Bacolod City, here in Victorias City. They will bring on whatever they can so that they can finish this preseason finale with a win. Back to you, Seven Paneng.
Damo, masalamat, Lexi Rodriguez. It's now 8-7. Nice to know the story about Louie Romero and her family. Tama ba yung kamay ko? Tama ba yung lakas ko? Kasi you tried to throw off the blockers.
And sometimes din gusto mo rin iwasan yung blockers, kaya masyadong nagiging manipis yung palo, it saves out.
Chris says, who used to play for San Beda. Many of our players also coming from the NCAA program. Rachel Soltones, Honey Royce Tubino. Oh, look at that. Pepito catches it on the line. That punches through. Sakta, no? Gusto magpakita ka agad dyan. Siyempre, sila Pepito at yung iba nating rookies. In the meantime, the ball sets this up, reverses. But it's hijacked in the air at the net. The veteran Tubino slamming the door. In the meantime, tatlong lamang ng Capital One dito sa ating yun ang unang yugto. Huli ka, pero
it sailed out.
Yeah, snapped out. Sometimes she starts. Iris serves. It becomes a set. And there's another, that same spot. Tubino will be in the spotlight to serve, 14-11. Good stretch for the ball from the back row. Too hot.
Ganda ng back row na yun for Royce Tubino. Back-to-back points for Farm Fresh.
Meron certain muscles sa volleyball you really don't need it. But this one, she's perfectly toned for the game now. Kaya lakas ng output niya. In the meantime, the set. Good set up. Tinaas. Hinabol ni Pepito. Sinara ang pinturo.
That was a very good block for Farm Fresh. Sarado yung cross court.
Lisa Cruz rather has been brought in. She's a starter. Wala pang bola si Risa dito. Good reception that time by Pepito. Here's a big strike, but it's a little too long, too much heat on that particular try. Okay, didn't know that. Anyway, here comes the serve.
Oh, good serve.
Just right into the middle. Uy, hindi na palo. Really is a fake. The dig, and Pahan scores neatly. We're tied at 15. That's expectation sa'yo. Pasok mo yan.
And dumipensa after.
Oh, right after, no? Block. Pushed high. Received by Pepito. Back row. Dink is on the floor. And we arrive at the second technical timeout with Capital One managing to save the lead.
Relax lang sila, hindi sila na-pressure. They got one point at a time. And parang na-pressure pa doon yung Capital One dahil na-feel nilang humahabol na yung Farm Fresh.
Tinos sa likod. Hinabol ni Tubino. Itinaas ni Tololada. Tinaas. Really gets to it. Here comes the set. The attack. Off the hands and that will score. Rezanov na ang last name ni Maylene Paang. Ako lang, haba na ng pangalan sa likod. In the meantime,
That's sailed out.
yeah, Jazz Nabor in your spotlight. That's served, picked up by the back row. This one manages to find a way through, courtesy of Trisha Tubu. Back row at work. Nabor with the set. Blocked! One out. That's why he's a this large smile. He says,
Oh!
Sinito si La Rosa. PBL on tour in Victorias. The Negros Occidental. Off the block. Reached for by the back row. To the far end. Nicely blocked. Now gave them a 2-point lead. Inside the open spot, Tubo connects again. It's 2019.
But now she's in the back row. Good first ball.
Up. And
I think that was the second time na nag-slide attack itong si Cherry Nunag. First.
Occidental this serve. Reached for setup. Block.
Oh!
Butas.
Aragalang now in for Farm Fresh.
Oh, first time ni Ara to see action. And too hot to handle. 4-point lead on the threshold of probably taking the opening set. Corvino stretching for it, and it's now set point. Aragalang now serving.
Oh,
Very deep on that one. Here comes a free ball from Adorador. Airborne. Tubo gets to it. Reversed by Romero. Caught nicely that time. And that'll work. And we are done with the first set.
good first set here for Capital One. Ganda ng start nila. They were able to close this first set.
And